Certified checks sound safer than they are, so know what you're buying. A certified check is still your personal check, but the bank adds its verification. The bank isn't just eyeballing the handwriting, it confirms your signature and marks the check certified, which tells the recipient the bank checked it. The big difference is the money. Your bank sets those funds aside, so your balance can't drop below the check amount. That's not the same as a cashier's check, and mixing them up can delay a sale or void a deal. Getting a certified check usually starts with you writing the check yourself to the exact payee and amount. Then you take it to your bank, where they verify your signature against what they have on file and confirm the money already exists in your account. Once that's true, the bank sets those funds aside so you can't spend them elsewhere, then adds an official stamp or notation showing it's certified. After that, the recipient deposits it like a normal check, and it clears through regular channels. Certified checks and cashier's checks both signal verified, but the source of the promise is different. With a certified check, you write it and the funds are reserved from your account. With a cashier's check, the bank writes it from the bank's own account after you pay them. That means the bank's verification step isn't identical, and neither option removes all risk the way cash or a completed wire does. Recipients often trust cashier's checks more, and the fees are usually different too. A certified check makes the most sense when the dollar amount is large and the recipient wants extra comfort. Some sellers or landlords require one because it reduces the chance of a bounced check, and it's helpful when timing matters but you still need a paper payment, like a deposit due today. It's not built for instant transfers since it still has to deposit and clear. Before you order one, confirm the recipient accepts certified checks and avoid using it for small bills where the fee isn't worth it. The main mistakes happen because people assume every bank offers certified checks and that they're fraud-proof. Some banks don't issue them at all, and many people accidentally request the wrong product because certified and cashier's checks work differently. Also, scams exist, so certified doesn't mean the check can't be fake or altered. Fees can surprise first-timers, and banks often require valid ID and an in-person visit. Finally, some recipients won't accept certified checks, so always ask before paying for one. A certified check only works if the funds already exist, because the bank sets them aside. If you want to find accounts that fit how you actually bank and see the real dollar impact on your balance, BankingHub can match you in about 2 minutes, free with no login or credit check, as links in the description.